Okay, here we go. Okay, he's pumped. He's like, where's it, where's it, where's it?
I want it.
Cats.
Ever since I moved to New York, I've made an effort to be friendly. Hello, sir.
Cats.
It's like we're dancing.
Oh, for a kick in the clam.
But lately it's feeling a little one-sided. New Yorkers always seem to be in a rush. They never even stop to get to know their neighbors. Oh, hi, I'm June. I don't think that we should... Go. Have a good day.
Cats is the best. Look, he's like wondering. He's like, where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
A captive audience for my Indiana charm.
Cats.